Josh with 5-Star Tuning. We're out here with Dynojet at the Pro Op Finals in Tennessee. 5-Star Tuning has been in business since 2003. We're based out of Florence, South Carolina. We've been developing custom calibrations and tuning vehicles of all types. We've had a ton of customers that have asked us if we do any tuning on side-by-sides and off-road vehicles. We've seen this as a huge opportunity for us, from a custom calibration standpoint. So we partner with Dynojet, and they've been a huge part of our business. At the shop, we offer Power Vision 3s, Power Commander 5s, power packages, clutch kits. A lot of our customers' first reactions right after they get the custom tuning and clutch kits installed, they love the drivability of it. They love the power, the instant power, the throttle response. And a lot of the races in there love some of the key features that the PV3 has to offer. Dynojet has been a huge partner for us here at 5-Star Tuning to attract new customers, partner with racers, and grow our business.